Hi everybody, my name is Mina and I'm a PhD candidate at Polytechnic University of Milan in department of the ABC. My project is using AI in construction site for safety, and when I see in real construction site, which is doing as an internship in my PhD journey, I saw how is it working. It was very enthusiastic moment for me and actually motivates me for doing and make my research quality better. Actually, at Politecnico di Milano, we are learning how to connect with the other university. By this mindset, collaboration has a very impactful effect on the research quality. And my tutor and professor supervisor encouraged me to make a connection and make a network with the other university from using and enrich myself by experience to using other perspective of quality in my project. And this is the main object and main motivation comes from my professor for apply and have a collaboration at the same field from other universities. Yes, the structure of a study actually. They are two different mindsets. In Italy, we are so academical thinking. We are so thinking how our mindset be structural and disciplinary. But in Alberta is another perspective, how collaborate industry with academic, and they are focused on more real industrial problems. And these two combination, I think it's impactful and enrich my research quality. And thank you so much for this opportunity. Originally, I'm not come from Italy, but this is my second experience, have a collaboration with other culture and other university. And it is not impactful of the quality of the academic, it's my personal growing. And it was very, very important to see how other peoples from other countries to other culture and perspective see you, and you can stepping out from your comfort zone to understand what is your problem and see your project or your personality from other perspective. It has a very grateful impact in my quality, in my PhD journey, and even in my personality. I understood how to integrate my project in real world and how I can adapt my results to applicate in real world problems, which can help me to understand better problems. And it is the other, I wanted to say magic, not keywords. In magic words integrated, and I can learn by, very, very insightful these words. Integration has a growing impact on everything right now in this world. There is two different things which I learned by a study between collaborative work in University of Politecnico di Milano and Alberta. Because there we are using a lot of experience, we are doing a lot of exam, and we are touch the problems and touch the material. Here in Politecnico, we are understood how thinking fundamental, engineering fundamental, and problem solving thinking here. And combination of the both things has great effect on my research project. I learned how to integrate myself to new environment and new teamwork, because Italian culture has a very, very wonderful, enjoyable test. Even not university, when you are living in Italy, you can understand how to communicate and make a network with other people. And I earned this I would like to mention as a first point from Politecnico, and it makes me very easy to integrate myself by this atmosphere. Then I did my prototype of the project, and I examined a real world, and I saw how I can integrate it, which I was learned and I expected from University of Politecnico and Alberta. I can see my results, it was a very fantastic moment. Researchers more valuable for real world, because you can applicate your result or maybe new perspective, which I can bring from Alberta to Polytechnic, changing or involving more industry in academic researchers. Okay, from Italy, I would like to mention coffee. Cafe Italiano, mwah, it's very, very good, and you couldn't find anywhere. I would like to say Cafe Italiano, you can just find in Italy, and I really miss that. Even my colleague and even my supervisor, tutors, because here which relation I have it with them, it is not just supervisor, professor, students and academic relationships. After PhD, I'm sure they are my friends, and right now they are my mentors. And from Alberta, actually we have a green Alberta. It means the nature, the people that are working from different countries, and my supervisor there, very, very, really human, actually, I would like to say. Because the group of I working there, the name is empathy, and it means how you can working and have your heart for other people. Immediately go. You don't need to take a moment to thinking, okay, should I go? I am afraid. No, actually no. Take it, go it out. It has a very impactful effect on your personality, research, mindset, future, and thank you so much from Politecnico di Milano. Give me this opportunity. Thank you, my professor, Fulvio Cecconi, my tutor, Marzia Morena, and everybody here, every team's here. I'm collaborating with them. They are supporting me during this time in Politecnico di Milano. And also from Alberta, Professor Gang. I miss you really. Thank you so much for all the effort you put it in my project.